Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name's Emily and today I'm going to be reviewing the Kindred Braverly Simply Sublime Nursing Bra. Ooh, that was a mouthful. But this is the best bra I have ever owned. Like, not best nursing bra, best bra. As far as comfort and, you know, pretty good shape. Well, let me just get into it. So I didn't buy this bra. They gave me this bra for doing another review, which was very, very kind of them. But this bra is normally $50. You know, pretty average price for a bra. I wouldn't say that's necessarily high or low. So I don't know if all nursing bras are like this, because this is like the second one I've ever owned. Or if I've just been like buying crap bras. So I used to kind of strictly buy Victoria's Secret, which now, I mean, I think everyone knows that they don't make the best bras. I bought like, what is it, Third Love, I think, and another company that you see like advertised on Facebook and Instagram and stuff a lot. And they were so much better than Victoria's Secret that I thought, okay, like these are amazing bras. You know, they're not itchy and they don't, like, straps and stuff don't fall apart. But they still aren't comfortable. They still have underwire. They still dig in and like cut into my freaking ribs. Especially now that I'm pregnant. Because now it's not only like all this weight getting pushed down. But I feel like especially when I'm sitting, it's like I have this extra like girth here. Which kind of just squeezes this area to where if I have underwire, it cuts in there extra. And it hurts so bad. And I don't know, I've just not really had very good luck with bras. I wore a 34F. I swear my boobs have gotten bigger. I don't really know what size they are now, but since I've been pregnant, they feel probably about 1,000,000 pounds heavier than they used to. I used to wear sports bras a lot to get comfortable, but now that they've gotten bigger, I feel like the sports bras I do own, like, they ride up and they kind of cut in because this area is not like as flat as it used to be. So if the sports bra comes down like to here, then it squeezes and it kind of hurts. And anyways, okay, enough about the crappy bras of the past. The bra of the future right here. It is, for one, it's so freaking soft. There is not one spot of this bra that is itchy or bothersome whatsoever. There's no tag. There's no like exposed like clips or anything. I mean, I guess right here, but it's not itchy. The straps aren't itchy. Never ever get bothered with this bra. 2, there's no underwire. And even like the band, it's pretty tight, like to where, you know, it's gonna mostly stay in place, but it's not tight to like being constricting. And it's not tight to where, like, even, like, pulled down, it doesn't hurt. Like, right there, where you can obviously see that I can obviously see that my stomach is, like, getting in the way. And the band, like, maybe towards the end of the day, especially if I've been sitting in it, like, has rolled up just a little bit, I can start to feel it, but it's not painful. And it's not like anything else I've ever experienced. The straps don't really dig into my shoulders. Well, it looks like they do, but I think I just have that from wearing bras all the time. A little divot. They don't really dig in. Now, the like shape, underclothes, let me show you. Because underclothes, it really doesn't look like bad or weird or anything. I mean, it's not, from the side you can kind of see, it's not like a nice like push-up bra that gives you a super round shape. It's definitely like a natural shape. But like I wear these to work and going out and all this stuff all the time. So this was like what my boobs would look like in a shirt. Obviously, I wouldn't wear a black bra under this shirt. But you see, like, you know, they look normal. They just look like a normal natural shape. Not like pushed up or anything. But I don't really necessarily care about that because my boobs are just big enough that they don't really need to look pushed up. I think that the picture that they have on their website, I don't know if it's just because of like the size the model is wearing, but it like she looks kind of, like kind of frumpy. Not her particularly, but just the bra. It doesn't look like it covers like up to here, and it kind of doesn't look great. Like it doesn't look like something I would want to buy. But then when I put it on, and like obviously I could wear like a pretty, like I could wear like a V-neck, or you can kind of see by my sunburn about the shape of shirt I was wearing the other day when we had a yard sale. And it's all fine, as long as it's not like thin spaghetti straps, because this is thicker and it does come up kind of high. On top of just being an amazing bra, especially for someone who has struggled with like finding really good bras, it is a nursing bra. So, it's one of the ones that like clips and that comes down. Obviously more than that, but I'm not showing you that. So I don't know if it's just me, like new user or whatever, because I've actually never nursed before. This is my first baby. But I have a hard time re-clipping it. I've tried it a couple times, and every time it's like takes me a couple tries. I guess I could say that's a downside, but I don't know, because I've never tried other nursing bras. Maybe that's just kind of how they are. I wear this bra almost every day. Like, I'm gonna wear it out. Oh, you are supposed to hand wash it and line dry it. I don't do that because I just don't hand wash anything. I put it in the little bag, like the Delicates bag, and I wash it on Delicate Cycle and hang dry it, or if I need it, faster, I'll just dry it on like the Delicate Cycle. And so far, I think I've had it for like over a month, and it's held up. I think the fabric's a little bit looser, but that's okay, because it has 4 different settings to hook it with. So when I first bought it, I think I hooked it on like the second to loosest, and now I've just pulled it back to the tightest, and it fits well. It doesn't really ride up in the back, and like I'm not gonna go jogging in this bra, because like I said, it doesn't like hold things in like crazy, but it's fine for your everyday, for work, for hanging out, like going out with friends and all that stuff. I seriously would give this bra like a 20 out of 10. I've just been so happy with it. I would say the biggest downside is that the fact that like I never want to wear another bra ever again. I do, like, because you can't literally wear the same bra every day, so I do have to go back to my old underwire bras. I try to do every other day, but sometimes I just can't force myself to. And every time I wear them, I'm just like, oh, this is so uncomfortable. Like, I don't have to live like this. I need to buy more of these guys. But, of course, we can't just all go buy a whole new set of bras in one go. I definitely strongly encourage you to try it out. It's like life-changing. Or it was for me. I don't know. Maybe I just used to buy crap bras, but this one's a good one. I promise. I have another review of like their sleep nursing bra. I will link that or put it like somewhere. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and leave a comment down below if you have like ideas of other nursing bras or other nursing clothes for me to try. I definitely will be needing those soon. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.